a form of government in which people rule themselves with the help of their elected representatives fairly is known as democracy. It means democracy is a form of government in which legal people, adult people, elect their representatives fairly without any unfair means. Later on, you will study what type of election is fair and what is unfair. Democracy requires fair election, no unfair means, no vote capturing, and if such a government is formed to rule over a nation, is known as a democratic government. There is a popular definition produced by Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of America. This is the definition given by Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of America, the USA. He defined democracy in this term. What do we require government? We require government to maintain peace and harmony across the country. Also, it is required to make the country progressive, to make laws, to execute laws, to launch different kinds of schemes for the betterment of the people, for the betterment of the nation. And also to make the people follow the rules so that there may not be anarchy in the country. If there is anarchy, order condition, acting freely without any fear, it will cause anarchy, अराजकता, अव्यवस्था, जिसको जो मन में आएगा वो करे. Might is right. There will be might is right condition. The rich and the powerful, will exploit the weak and the poor. There will be no equality. To avoid such odd circumstances and conditions, the government is required in every nation. There are different kinds of governments, but the most popular among them is democracy. Absolute monarchy, dictatorship, aristocracy are some different kinds of governments, but they are not popular because they fail in respecting the feelings of the citizens. They fail in respecting the rights of all. Such governments fail in providing equal chance to all. They are not free from nepotism. They promote nepotism. It means such government act following their will and they favor their dear and near. They favor their relatives, neglecting others, and this is against the norm of equality. So, experimenting different kinds of government, finally, democracy was chosen, selected. Even in our country, we have democracy. Democracy paves the path for republic. India is a republic. Now, studying all the features of democracy. What are the features? Features with specific qualities, characteristics, विशेषताएं. Look at that. Number one, decisions by elected rulers. All decisions are taken by elected rulers. all decisions are taken by the government that is elected by the people. Number 2, compulsory election. In democracy, the term of the representatives is fixed. As in India, after every 5 years, election is conducted, so that people may change the government if the people are not satisfied with the government and its work, its functioning. They have option to change the government, and it is possible only after election. So, the election is compulsory in democratic system.
फोर्थ पॉइंट क्या है? फोर्थ पॉइंट इक्वालिटी बेस्ड, नहीं राइट लिख रहा है नोट्स, इक्वालिटी बेस्ड लिखा हुआ है। ठीक, नहीं उसमें लिखा था, लिखा हुआ क्या है उसमें?
Political parties, not party only, political parties. Democracy demands the existence of multi-party system. If there is only one party, as we have in China, it acts like a dictator. It is not democratic. So there must be 2 or more than 2 parties for the people to have option in case of dissatisfaction. If there is only one party, the people will have no option. The people will have to work under the same government, and it can't be democratic. And there is a chance for the government in that case. If there is only one party system, there is a chance for the government to act mercilessly, to act as a dictator, and the same is happening in China today. There is only one party system, only Communist Party. The persons who are permitted by the party to fight election, only those persons can fight without getting the permission of Communist Party. No candidate, no person will act as a candidate. There is no rule. Obviously, this is a kind of dictatorship, and it is totally against the demand of democracy. So the democracy, this is a feature of democracy, that is multi-party system. There must be multi-party system. बहुदलीय प्रथा, कम से कम 2 दल तो जरूर होने चाहिए, 2 से जितना ज्यादा हो जाए। ये डेमोक्रेसी की विशेषता है। इक्वालिटी बेस्ड, one person, one vote, and the same value, without any discrimination based on caste, based on religion, based on sex. If there is one man and on the other hand one woman, both have equal value and equal opportunity. A Muslim, a Hindu, a Christian, a Sikh. One person, one vote, and the same value. There is no inequality. For inequality in a democratic system, there is no place. असमानता लोकतंत्र में, प्रजातंत्र में, जनतंत्र में कोई स्थान नहीं है। It is it may be possible that some sections and classes in the society are backward, they are lacking behind. Some privileges are provided to them. Some special rights are provided to them so that they may join the mainstream of the country. Otherwise, all are equal. This is one of the features of democracy. Following constitutions. As I mentioned, its other name is constitutional government. The government which follows the constitution, which can't act going beyond the constitution. That is called democracy. So in this system, the government has to follow the constitution of the country. As is mentioned, rules as are mentioned in the constitution, in a similar fashion, the government has to execute and implement. You may add free and fair election also. Free and fair election. There should be no pressure on the voters, no threatening. Earlier, even in our country, there was no free and fair election. Booth capturing was very common, and such a government is not fair. It is against the norm and demand of democracy. But now, on the whole, by and large, there is free and fair election in our country. So, in the real sense, now we are enjoying democracy in our country. Here are some features. Do you have any problem so far? Any problem so far? In following any point, do you have any problem?
No, sir.
May I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the name of democracy, in different countries, governments are functioning. We have to consider whether they are really democratic. First, look at the case of China. What is happening? What happens in China? Is the government in China democratic? You may be asked a question. You must know the condition prevails in China. What is happening in China? As we have parliament in our country, so is National People's Congress in China. Each member takes part in the election of the president, who is the most powerful body, person, dignitary in China. After every 5 years, election is held in China. The term is 5 years. Some members by army, others by electoral. The members of the National People's Congress are elected by the people of China. Apart from that, some members are elected by the army. Means army also has its impact on the National People's Congress and also in the election of the president. What happens in our country? If we are Indians, if we fulfill the condition requirements, as for example, if we are 25 plus, if we are not married, we have right to fight in the election. We have right to take part in the assembly election and the parliament election. We don't require any kind of approval from anybody. But what happens in China? To be the member of National People's Congress or to fight the election meant for National People's Congress, the approval of Communist Party is compulsory. As long as the Communist Party, Marxist-Wadi Communist Party, doesn't permit a person to take part in the election, he can't take part. He can't take part. This is the difference between India and China. हमारे यहाँ चुनाव में भाग लेने के लिए किसी से अनुमति लेनी नहीं पड़ती, कोई भी भाग ले सकता है, लेकिन बच्चा नहीं ले सकता। उसके लिए शर्तें हैं, योग्यताएं हैं, क्वालिफिकेशंस हैं। 25 वर्ष विधानसभा या लोकसभा का चुनाव है, उसमें कैंडिडेट होने के लिए 25 ईयर्स मिनिमम एज होना चाहिए। भारत का उसको सिटीजनशिप रहना चाहिए, विदेशी नहीं लड़ सकता है, वो पागल दिवालिया नहीं हो, वो लाभ के किसी पद पर नहीं। But he doesn't need to have any kind of permission from anybody. However, in China, the condition is different. The approval of Communist Party is a must This is against the norm of democracy. It depends on the party. It depends on the party executive to allow anybody. The party may favor. If somebody doesn't believe in the principle of this party, he can't be permitted, he can't be allowed. So this is against democracy, this is against equality. So obviously, in a time of holding elections,
बात समझ रहे हैं आप? अनु,
Yes, sir.
look at another case, that of Mexico. What happens in Mexico? Mexico is a country. Elections are held even in Mexico. You have to decide whether Mexico is a democratic country or not. Look at the scenario. Mexico became independent in 1930. As per Constitution, after every 6 years, election is held here. The term is 5 or 6 years for the president. In 2000, elections were won by the same party, namely PRI or Institutional Revolutionary Party. Not because the party was very much popular, not because the president was very much popular, but because adopting corrupt practices. There was no free and fair election. Never. So far, in Mexico, elections are held after every 6 years. But because of corrupt practices, because of unfair means in the election, because of using muscles, money, and power in elections, the same party is getting victory. And the same party is enjoying as the president of the country. In spite of holding election, in spite of conducting election at regular interval, we can't say that Mexico is a democratic country. Why is Mexico not a democratic country? Because it doesn't hold free and fair election. So it's not a democratic country. स्वतंत्र और पारदर्शी चुनाव नहीं कराने के कारण, चुनावों में धांधली, बाहुबल का प्रयोग होने के कारण मैक्सिको लोकतांत्रिक देश नहीं है। उधर चीन भी नहीं, इलेक्शन वहां भी होते हैं, इलेक्शन मैक्सिको में भी होते हैं। इसके ये देश पूर्ण रूपेण लोकतांत्रिक नहीं है। So election must be fair and transparent. Only then we can, or the people of any country can enjoy democracy. One person, one vote, one value. Listen, this point as a teacher
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा। सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
वेट करो सर, डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है।